Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In this video we are drawing different 2D shapes, that is circle, triangle, rectangle, star, pentagon and heptagon. So let's start drawing. This is a circle, triangle, now let's draw a star. Can you draw a star? It's super easy. Here is a star. Join the 2 points. Here is pentagon. Here you can see this is a dark blue color. Do the same, that is dark green color. Dark green color, rectangle, yellow color. Yellow color, star. Dark blue color. Red color. Red color, heptagon. We have done. Let's revise. This is circle, triangle, rectangle, star, pentagon, hexagon. Dear kids, do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.